What? It's going on. Hold on. Stop.
This is your captain speaking.
I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the thumbnail, today we are doing a curly hair routine. Look, I'm employed by the CEO of curly hair, Koby Lomax. That's my boss. I clock in every day from 9 to 5. He tells us what to do, we do it. So we're gonna see if this hair tutorial works based on the instructions that Koby Lomax has given us. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you leave me a like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share this video with somebody who really could use some help with their curly hair. So without further ado, we're not gonna do no more talking. We're gonna get straight into the video. Oh, and Koby, boss, when am I gonna get paid? When am I gonna get paid?
We are starting off with freshly washed, in conditioned, and deep conditioned hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair.
Okay, so you heard the man. The first thing you want to do is start off with washed and conditioned hair. So I'm skipping that step. I can do that because I've been working for him for so long now. But you don't get to skip it. So wash your hair, make sure it's completely saturated with water, and then section it off into as many sections as you feel necessary. I think I only did like 4 or 5, but you do as many as your heart desires.
To have my hair in sections, the first product I'm going in with is the Thirsty Curls. It is a leave-in curl revitalizer.
So the first thing that you're going to use is any curl cream or conditioning cream. As far as what's the best product to use, that's just going to be trial and error. I wouldn't recommend anything cancer related as it dries out most curls or most curl patterns that are kinkier and coilier. So I would recommend anything but Cantu for those with hair similar to mine or a little bit coarser than mine. But all you're gonna do is go in that specific section and just administer all of that cream to that section.
Now after the leave-in and the moisturizer we're in, the last product, which is my favorite product so far from this line, is Curly Magic, which is a curl stimulator / gel. So I just put this in and I went and did my finger coils per usual. Y'all know the drill.
Okay, so kind of like Koby was saying, well, exactly like Koby was saying, now that section is well saturated with water and moisturized with the curling cream, you're gonna take some gel. That's that wet line extreme gel. A lot of people like that. I like that gel too. It don't leave flakes or it don't leave it too hard, but it's like the perfect balance. So you're gonna take a generous amount of gel and you're gonna coil it in a circular motion. Look at that right there. Coil it in a circular motion. And you're gonna repeat that step for the entire section. And once you finish the section, it should look a little something like that. Now that's the kitchen area where the hair is the shortest, but if y'all can see it, that's kind of what it look like when it's done. And so now all you're gonna do is rinse and repeat, literally. You're gonna rinse your hair with water, saturate it, boom, the next section, make sure it's dripping. You want it to be dripping wet, okay? You want to make sure it's very saturated. That's very important. Then you're just going to repeat the same steps. Make sure to put the curling cream on, the moisturizing cream, whatever cream that you're using to enhance your curls. Make sure to put a generous amount on that section. Apply it thoroughly. Then you're going to take the gel, and then you're going to do your finger coils in that section, and you're going to repeat it on your entire head. Now, this is the part of the process that get tiresome, and your arms going to be burning. But by the time you're done, your biceps and your canyons, they're gonna be nothing to play with, okay? So it's just rinse and repeat throughout your whole head. I'm gonna speed it up so you guys can see the finished product.
Okay, guys, this is the not the final look. We still gotta diffuse it, and then after that we're gonna add a little oil to it, and then I'll show you guys day 2 and day 3. So, but this is it. After it's been shingled, you got a little 360. It took about an hour to do. You know, you gotta set some time to do it, but the style usually lasts anywhere between 5 to 7 days. So you got some time to just leave your hair alone. Make sure you sleep with a bonnet on. You're definitely gonna need one. I mean, if you don't have one, you can go a couple days without it. And if you want another video about how I maintain it when I wake up, I can show you that. But yeah, this is pretty much the shingling method. We're gonna diffuse it, and then I'll show you guys day 2 and day 3 results at the end of this video.
And then y'all know I'm gonna do the water trick like I normally do.
Hey, boss. Yeah, I'll take it from here. Okay, thanks. So sorry guys, he likes to take over my videos and stuff too. I work for him, but like this is my video. This is mine, Kobe. So you're just gonna let the water run, and you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna scrunch it in your hair. So kind of like you see what I'm doing, not kind of, exactly like you see what I'm doing. You're just gonna scrunch it throughout the entirety of your hair, and your curls are gonna end up clumping together. Look, I don't know the science behind it, okay? I'm not a scientist. I just work for the CEO of Curly Hair. He don't really tell us the ins and outs of things. We just do what we're told. You just gonna scrunch it like that, man. Your curls gonna clump together, and it's gonna look shiny. It's gonna look real good. And then afterwards, you're gonna get you a towel. Not a towel, I lied. A t-shirt. Get you a t-shirt. Don't use a towel. A t-shirt, and you just gonna pat your hair dry, and then you could diffuse it, what you're gonna see me do, or you could let it air dry. Okay, my children, so this step is relatively easy. You're just gonna take whatever essential oils you have lying around the house, whether it's aloe vera oil, castor oil, coconut oil, carrot oil, whatever oils you might have, and you're gonna massage it evenly throughout your hair in those hard to reach spots, so your hair is shiny and healthy after this process. And okay, Trey, so never mind. Go ahead. Interrupt me.
It's just gonna dry up. It's gonna get a little crunchy. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with day 2 and day 3 and show you guys how they came out, and then conclude the video like that. But hopefully this helps. I just want to give a huge shout out to Koby Lomax, my CEO, your CEO, our CEO of Curly Hair. Hopefully this video did you justice, CEO. Again, pay me some time, brother. I'm starving over here. But as for me, that's the end of the video. Listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Troy World, and the purpose of this channel is But as for me, that's the end of the video. Listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Troy Wood, and the purpose of this channel is to help you become the very best version of yourself that you can be, because you can't spell self-improvement without me. If that's a message that resonates you. If that's a message that resonates, y'all can tell it's been a minute. If that's a message that resonates well with you, please leave me a like, okay, subscribe, comment down below what video you want to see next, and share this video with somebody who can use some help with improving their hair, right? Because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you be the best version of yourself that you can be.
This is your captain speaking.
And I will see you in the next one. Koby, pay me! No, seriously, bro. If you seen this, I need that money, bro. As CEO of Curly Hair, please. It's getting scary wicked out here.
BBL.